Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add address to your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. It is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to Accounts and List. Click on the button right there on the navbar. It's right next to Returns and Orders. Simply click on it. Then you will be redirected to this page. That is your account. Well, there are lots of options to select from, but right now, what we want to do is simply focus on our address. The fourth button right here, that's your address. Simply click on it. And from here, as you can see, I have already added a previous address. And right now, let's say I want to add another address as well. Simply click on this Add Address button. And from here, simply fill out the details. That's your country, full name, phone number and everything. I'm gonna enter all of them right now. And guys, as you can see, I have entered about almost everything. And simply scroll down once you're okay and hit on Add Address. And guys, as you can see, I have successfully added my new address in my Amazon account. And guys, that's it. That's how you add your address in your Amazon account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.